And no, you don't see me, but you do see a lobster tail. And I'm back with another tutorial. Well, yes, new tutorial. I just want to show you guys how, if you don't know, I'm going to show you how I fillet a lobster tail, or how you can fillet a lobster tail. So stay tuned and watch me fillet this tail. First, you take your tail. Mind you, the shell, it is a shell, so you have to get you some scissors. The shell is thin enough for you to cut, but also sharp enough to cut you. So what you're just going to do is cut a straight line down the back of the tail all the way till you get to, I guess this will be called the extra part of the tail. I don't know what it's called. So then what I like to do is just to open it up a little bit. So then what you're going to do is, this is all the meat. This is the bottom of the tail. So what you want to do is get your fingers underneath. So like I said, I like to open it a little bit because it is sharp. It can cut you. And you just go up in there. Scrape out the sides. I didn't say it was easy. And get all that meat out the sides. There you go. And you just close that and lay it on top like so. And then if you want, like I am making fried lobster tails. I should have showed you guys that part, but yeah, so you just get it all out as much as you can to the bottom. And lay it on top like so. So like I did this one. As you see, it's on top of the shell. I'm going to fry this whole as it is. I'll do one more. Take the scissors, slide it up under the shell. Cut all the way to the extra tail part, the fins, whatever. They don't got fins. Well, you know what I'm talking about. Open that bad boy up to help you. Scoop them fingers up in there. And as you scoop in, you're lifting. So scoop and lift. Scoop and lift. Scoop and lift. Scoop and lift. Then you lay your lobster tail on top. I'll be back with the finished product. Okay, so this is my coating that I use. I use the seafood mix, and I got rid of the box, but I don't use onion, but what I use is the garlic and herb soup and dip recipe mixture, and I add that into the mixture. That's where you see all this good flavoring. So I'm gonna go ahead and take one of my lobster tails that I've already filleted, and I'm gonna rub that all in there. Get that goodness, seasoning, that coating so it can fry good and greatness. Coat it as much as you like. And then it goes into the fryer. This here is the greatest thing I've ever found. Like, I'm so in love with this garlic butter. It's good to put on seafood, of course, vegetables, and you can make garlic bread out of this. I melt it down and use it for a dipping sauce for the garlic, which my kids really enjoy. Look at that, all seasoned. I wish you could smell it. It smells so good. But this is the secret sauce right here, girl. Secret sauce.